Wow, that was a rush. And the crazy thing is, I've already sneezed a little bit like this. I just wasn't recording earlier. It just feels so good because so I'll probably title this thing "Feels Like I'm Allergic to My Parking Lot." There is everything flying outside. Everything. Oh my goodness. Wow. Okay, you're gonna stay there for now. So that's not gonna work. So, how's everyone's summer doing? Do that a lot, don't I? Sorry. The chuckling is a force of habit. No, haven't done any recordings for a while. And I'm trying to share and say hello again to everybody. I've noticed that there's a lot more videos out there too lately. Oh, pardon my noisy neighbors, which maybe I'm trying to ignore them too. It seems to be all the time too, not just during the daytime hours. Weird sounds and noises coming from upstairs. Ugh. I should be able to at least get a few more sneezes here, but we'll see. Once again, using this lovely little method seems to make him so much messier. Ugh. Maybe it'll work, maybe it won't work. Gosh. Some days this powder is just amazing. And I will say still, most of the time it works. Sometimes it just makes my nose itchy and annoying. That itch is annoying, nothing else, but Oh, that's intense. Maybe one more before I have to blow my nose. Oh, it's so sinusy. Nope, probably no more today. That's probably enough for me. Oh. Sorry that. Oh. Work has caused me a little bit of extra stress lately, and it's to be understood. We're getting in our busier season, especially oftentimes around the holidays. We're open when other places are closed. So, even though I don't work at least weekend or night hours too much, so that's good. But I'm still glad for everyone who's following my videos. Like, comment, and subscribe. I'm trying to practice a little. Maybe see if I can come up with variety for people. But I have to cut this video short for now. Maybe I will try to record later this week. The weather's not supposed to change too much, so it might still be a chance to get some more videos to you guys. I appreciate, again, everyone who follows me, especially my subscribers. It's very special. Every single person, I wish I could thank you, and I'm thanking you right now. So, everyone take care. We'll hope to be sending more stuff along soon. Bye now.